Hey y'all, I'm back with another wig review. I've got charisma, you guys. All of her specs, color, all that is going to be down in the description box below. Y'all, this ginger orange beautiful wig came out the box looking just like this. The curls were phenomenal. And now she looks like this. She looks like this because I rocked her for over a month, not sleeping in her, just putting her on and taking her off. This is the wig construction. She's got two combs in the side and the front, and then, the adjustable band and the comb in the back. I went ahead and cut the lace off, and that's what the lace is looking like, just on my pure skin. I'm adding some more tint spray to her, though, because, like I said, I've been wearing her, and that was the shade of the spray that I use. Now, my baby is matted and tangled. But look at that color and the dimension in that hair. It is beautiful. Now, I've been gone forever, so I said I had to come and show you guys and have like a thorough video for you guys. So this is just what I do when I'm rushing and I just want to look cute. I just throw her on real fast. You saw it. That hairline, beautiful. I'm gonna give you some more close-ups and slow-mos towards the end, because y'all know I love a good slow-mo. But y'all, just look at the curls. This brush, I wasn't fooling with it. It wasn't really helping me detangle her. After a while, you're gonna see me get my tore up wet brush. Don't judge me. She still work, and I'm gonna use her. So, and I'm gonna use a spray bottle with just plain water in it, y'all, to help me get this wig together. Cause that's what I like to use. Now, I know that they make sprays for the wigs to help, but she's synthetic, so plain water is fine with me. I also like to get my curl back in her by just twirling her around my finger. And yeah, I'm gonna get it together. It's gonna take me a minute, but I'm gonna get it together. But yes, all of my new subbies, hey y'all, thank you for subbing to my channel. I promise I'm gonna get more consistent. Like this baby that I just had, he about took me out. My baby about took me out. It was rough, y'all. But oh my goodness, look at you, a hot mess. I'm just a hot mess, sneezing all over the place, y'all. I was doing everything in my power to get this video to you guys, and I just had to make sure that I gave y'all like a lot of good content, because I know I ain't been the best creator, okay? So I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna do Vlogmas. Y'all, look how cute. So this is just like too darling. I like to do something quick like this when I'm going out to run errands. So this is what she's looking like from the side. And the back, I zoomed in because I want y'all to see no tracks were showing. Now, I've worn her for a month, y'all. Look at my baby. He just wanted to be in mommy's video. Shout out to Titan. All right, guys. So now I'm moving along. I used Got to Be Still. I'm going to wait and let that get tacky after applying it to my hairline. And then I'm going to tie my black scarf on. Once I slick these edges back out of the way, and let that sit to melt. So just stop. Let that get tacky first. I usually use a blow dryer, but today I wasn't feeling the blow dryer and it was hot, and I was just trying to act like I wasn't hot under all these lights. So I just found myself with the stock card. Y'all, look at that melt. Look at that. That hairline is everything. Outre did not come to play with the color and the hairline on this baby. Okay? So I'm gonna just, like I said, tie her down, you guys. I'm finna do some like funky top knot thing. I wanted to show y'all like a top knot style for like if you were running out to the grocery store or something, you just want the back to be curly. But yeah, I got fed up, and I didn't have my broke wet brush at the time, or my water bottle. So I just, I was just like, you know what? Let me go ahead and let me answer the number one question. Can this baby take heat? Because she says she can. So I got my hot tools chilling over there ready, So I attempted to recurl it. Y'all. Y'all. Watch. Watch what happens. It was not giving what it was supposed to be giving. So I said, you know what? We're going to try this again. And I tried it again for y'all because I told you I got you. I even held it this time because that's a trick. You hold synthetic hair, and that curl was still wonky, and I wasn't feeling it. Look at my face. I wasn't feeling it at all. So I took my fingers there. There go my broke baby. Get the job done every time. Y'all, look at that. She coming back to life, honey. Now, what I will say is I want to flat iron her. I'm going to flat iron her, and I'm going to come back with her bone straight. I'm going to do it. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. Because I ain't finna get up here on my platform and lie to y'all. But I got y'all. Everybody wants to know my tricks. So, here they are. Here they are. Y'all, it's so pretty. The color is just everything. I ain't gonna stop saying that because the color is everything. When it first came out the pack, this baby was she was beyond gorgeous. Alright, so now I'm about to go in and style her for you. I'm about to show y'all what she look like in a side part, and I'm going to use my wax stick to melt her. So I was just showing off the curls, and now look at y'all. It comes with baby hairs, but I went in and trimmed mine down off camera because like I said, I had been wearing her. I had rocked her for a month so I could come and give y'all an honest review, because I ain't got time for nobody trying to come at me sideways. Here it is. You see it. All I did was trim it. Synthetic wear. Baby, this a bad wig. If you can get over the tangling, because she gonna tangle. I feel like any curly synthetic wig is gonna tangle though. But it ain't nothing a little water and a spray bottle can't fix, and a little hot comb. It's fixable. And then when you get tired of wearing her in curls, you can flat iron her like what I'm gonna do. Y'all, I would go back and repurchase this unit even with all the tangles. That's just how much I like her. And there's so much parting space that I can do whatever I want on her. So that's my wax stick. It's a coconut edge wax stick. I picked it up at my local beauty supply store. Got my hot comb out of Walmart. And I'm going in and I'm just adding some heat to lay it down, because I wanted to try to get it as flat as possible to show you guys exactly what I do when I style her and how I wear her. So, she's giving. Y'all ain't telling me she ain't pretty. So she's gorgeous now. I like her. And I am going to flip the part for you guys to show you how it looks without using any edge wax stick. Like if you ain't got one, you don't want to go out and buy one, I'm going to show you what it look like if you flip on the other side. I'm doing another side part so I can show you. You ain't got to use the edge stick to get a leg. Oh, look at me. Ow, that's the side. That's the other side. I promise y'all, that's the back. I promise y'all, I'm going to show y'all everything, because I don't want no stone unturned. That's a zoomed in close up and a slow-mo because I love a good slow-mo. So yeah, how I was feeling myself a little bit. Now I like to use this Garnier Fructis dry shampoo, baby, to spray her, to make her smell good and to remove some oils or dirt. Like I said, that's the way I've gotten her to just stay looking like this after wearing her, pulling her on and throwing her here, there, and everywhere for over a month. So yeah, this was another cute style I thought about where you just do like a little pin to the back. I used to do that in middle school with my real hair. Yeah. But yes. Now I'm coming in to show you guys that you can do the same exact thing on a different side without the wax stick. You don't necessarily need that wax stick. I just like it because I feel like in my mind it's putting the flyaways down, it's taming them, and it's giving me a sleeker, polished look. But is it necessary? No, absolutely not. And I'm telling you, water gonna be your friend with a curly synthetic unit, or at least it is in my book. No, I'm not gonna put no oils or serums or anything like that, because all it's gonna do is make it look greasy and make it look like a wet dog. And yeah, I'm just tossing it. Now it took me a little long to get this together. I sped this video up, guys. So yeah, I was sitting there playing for a minute, and I kind of got sad. You seen that little look I gave, and I was like, just keep playing, girl. You'll get it together. So the twirl around the finger always works. And then tousling it, and then I'm gonna come in right here and add some heat to lay that down, because I didn't like the way that was looking. And then that was puffy, so you seen that real quick. Took my fingers and flipped it back so that she could be given. And I was gonna push it behind my ear, but I was like, nah. Because I could tell my wig was starting to lift. Because, like I said, I didn't leave my scarf on long enough. But yes, what do y'all think? What you think? Do y'all like her? Is she a bop or is she a no? I think she a yes. I think she a go. I love her. Like, look at them curls. She giving. Look at the hairline. Baby. And then I love y'all so much. I came back on a different day, show you the size and the middle part, okay? Because look, just y'all. Bye. I was like, finally.